revolution. Let's see how this plays out. What a mess.
Gigantic future for you.
Charles Agger.
We're not sure where we're going. Super excited to be here. My thoughts, as always at these events, is the same, and that's to come at it from a business perspective. And more importantly, to connect it up with the customer centricity of the fourth industrial revolution. Let's see how this plays out. We're doing this on the fly. We are here at 3DEXPERIENCE World.
Exactly.
2020. We figure.
Nashville, Tennessee.
You bet. And what a mess. I get here and my name's been changed to Corp Home. Blame that guy. There we go.
You now feel at home, don't you?
Yeah. So anyone calling Mr. Home, I'm there. Maybe I'll find a few brothers here today. So anyways, great day, great 2 days ahead. I don't know, what are we trying to get out of this?
Looking to see what the new messaging is from Dassault. 3DEXPERIENCE.
That's
new
it.
decade, new name for Solidworks world.
New innovation, new products, everything
Exactly.
going on. Good. Have a see you in a bit.
Bye.
What is a 3DEXPERIENCE platform? Explanation. It's a platform that gives you access to a catalog of applications or apps, like the kids say these days. These apps allow you to design, simulate, inform, and collaborate on a project.
That's why 3DEXPERIENCE World on 3DEXPERIENCE for Solidworks is really opening up a gigantic future for you.
Last year, we talked about a new industry renaissance. Better simulation, better manufacturing, collaboration, governance, and management.
Join me in welcoming to the stage Charles Agger.
One more time. Further back. Come on, you guys are like falling asleep or something. Hello. Hello. Cool. Thank you. So my name is Charles. I am co-founder of Kickstarter.
Just finished up the first general session. Bernard Scheller, inspiring as ever. We saw the magic wheelchair, which is absolutely amazing, people, what they're doing there. Gian Paolo stepped in, talked about Solidworks, introduced the function-driven generative design mode, all part of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Really exciting.
Need to find out more about that one.
Yeah.
Great to see Solidworks branching out into new brands, really expanding across the platform.
Putting it into platform, agreed. Collaborative design.
Solidworks Templates 101.
Yeah. We're just following the crowd. We're not sure where we're going, but anyway, there's keynotes going on. There's lots going on. Another keynote. Okay, let's go take a look at Playground. So we just run across the road for a meeting. David wanted to come to the Omni Hotel because they're just playing some classic country music, and he loves country music. He really does. He does, yeah. Yeah, you want to send as much country music as you possibly can. Send it to David.
Techno. In the journal session today, Bernard spoke of increasing innovation with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and showed some great videos on how Dassault views it as an extension of the power of SolidWorks. Gian Paolo introduced the new 3DEXPERIENCE Works packages and spent time on how it completely integrates with advanced 3DEXPERIENCE apps like functional generative design from CATIA.
So we're halfway through the day. David, what do you think of 3DEXPERIENCE so far?
Well, the conference has been renamed, but it's still a SolidWorks event with just a smattering of other brands, and you're seeing some CATIA and Delmia in there as well.
Nice.
The idea is they will connect mechanical CAD to everybody else who's contributing to the design.
Just finished up industrial equipment. Big sector, multiple different lines of business in there. Real interesting. Even takes me back into a little oil and gas from a few years ago. That's it, pretty much the day. Now it's dinner time, more meetings. Just catch up with David.
So, in the Connecting SolidWorks to 3DEXPERIENCE platform today, it was standing room only. Huge crowd in the room, great ambiance, great presentation by the guys from Dassault Systems. Now, the questions that were coming up were really around licensing. So what we're seeing is that the product is able to connect, get the data into the platform, interact, do your engineering work, and people aren't really questioning anymore whether it's a product that works, because now the definition is yes, it does work. Now, how do I make it work in my company?
But not to be outdone, for me, today general session was highly emotional, highly charged, really exhilarating. Bruno Charles does his bit every single time. It reminds us this is the customer experience that we're really moving into with the platform. But for us, it's our industrial sectors. It's kind of aerospace, it's automotive 4.0, it's high tech. And the one thing that we're really moving heavy on now is industrial equipment. So many sectors in there, 7 industries within industry equipment. They've rolled a new one in, which is professional services, etc., etc. And that is really bolted in nicely into the 3D Experience platform. Really excited about that, really excited to bring that into our fold and into the market.